Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. Well, today I'm going to be giving you guys another fall look. The first look I did, which was my last video, I did a very simple fall look trying to ease you guys into the fall season. So today I'm giving you guys this dark look, this dark black smoky eye. I hope you like it. This is the first time I'm actually doing a black smoky eye. I do all types of smoky eye, but I have not done a black smoky eye. So you guys are going to be following me along while I do this black smoky eye. If you guys like this look, then please keep on watching. And if at the end you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let's get into this video. For this smoky eye, we're going to be priming our lids first, and for today I'm going to be applying my concealer as usual. If you have a primer, better for you, that will be more suited for this look. And you know what's actually ironic about this is the first time I'm actually doing a black smoky eye. Like, I've done a red smoky eye, I've done a blue smoky eye, I've done several types of smoky eyes, but I've not actually done the OG smoky eye, which is the black smoky eye. So we're going to be doing it together because I haven't done it before. And if I flop, oops, so let's prime the lid first. Now our lids are primed. I just want to take a second to acknowledge my brows today. I'm loving it so much, and I hope you do too. So we're going to be starting out with the transition shade today. I don't want to go from darkest to lightest because I haven't done a black smoky eye in my life before. So I don't want to go down that lane where I'm going to have splotchy eyeshadow. So let's start from lightest to darkest. So I'm going to be using, let's see, what am I going to be using? Start with this shade. And I'm using this shade right here. I'm going to be tapping it on my crease, then blending it out. Okay, now we're done with that bit. I'm going to go into this shade right here and this shade together. We're going from lightest to darkest. I'm just building it up. So this is the next dark brown shade. So I'm just going to pack it on like I normally do, then blend it out. Why am I packing it on? Because I want to achieve maximum pigment. So you need to pack it up, because if you just tap your eyeshadow, blend it out, it's going to diffuse the pigment. But when you pack it on first, then blend, you're going to be getting more pigment. So that's why I do it. I'm going to be using this black from my Mood Beauty palette. I really love this black because it is really black. Like, it is really black, so you need to be quite careful when it comes to things like this. I'm just going to be concentrating it in the crease. I don't want to go too far high so it doesn't look like a mess, you know. As you can see, the smoky eye is coming out really well and really blended. I didn't have to do too much work because of all those browns I layered on. The brown I added just helped me blend out the black easily. So you can apply the black on your lid here and you're done with your smoky eye, but I want to go a step further. I want this to be black. So I'm going to go into a gel liner. You can use a black pencil liner or a gel liner. I'm going to be using a gel liner today. So I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid with a flat brush because I want the black to pop. So you can see what the black gel liner did. It added a little bit of oomph to it and gave it more pigment and more darkness. So this is with gel liner, this is without gel liner. So after applying the gel liner, I'm going to go back into that same black shade and I'm just going to pat the, where is my mirror? So I'm going to pat the black on top of the black gel liner. Why am I patting it? I do not want it to smudge, and I also want it to be matte. Ooh, that is a smoky eye. Wow, I love it. Did a pretty good job, I think. Y'all should rate me in the comments what you guys think about my first smoky eye. Is it a flop or a bop? A bop or a flop? A hit or a miss? A yay or a nay? Let me know in the comments. I'm just going to be lining my under eye. I'm going to be using that same black eyeshadow to set under the lash line. Where we applied the gel liner, I'm going to be setting it also. So I'm back, guys. Full face almost done. Now I'm going to be applying my blush on my cheeks. Now let's complete the eyes. I'm going to be using that same dark brown shade, and I'm going to be applying that underneath my eyes. You see why we put the powder? Because when it comes to blacks and browns, it's really, we don't want to fall out on our face, so the powder is going to catch all the fallout. So I'm going to go on and add this shade right here, and I'm going to be putting that on my inner corners. I'm going to be dusting off the excess powder and move on to my lips. What I'm going to do, I think I should do nude lip. What is new on here? It's only nude we do, but we can't do anything too dramatic because we're doing a smoky eye. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and love this look, because this look is really beautiful. I love it so much. The black, everything just came together. The glow, the skin, oh my gosh, this look is so beautiful. Why haven't I done black before? Like, okay. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. You can also watch other videos of me where I do some simple looks, some dramatic looks. I have everything on this channel. If you guys are still watching till now, then please subscribe. Don't only subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you wouldn't miss a single upload, because YouTube don't show my videos to people. Like, so if you click on the bell, you're gonna get a notification so that you'll be the first person to watch my video. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Mathildaduku. Some of the looks I don't create on YouTube, you're gonna see it on Instagram and also on Twitter. You can also follow me on TikTok, Mathildaduku, where I post some spontaneous, some cool videos. Yeah, I'm a TikToker, so you know what I'm talking about. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.